Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to style the image counter in the Divi Gallery module Lightbox. By customizing its color and typography, you can ensure it complements your branding and is easy to read. Stick around as we guide you through the steps to tailor the Lightbox image counter and verify the updates on the front end. Let's get started. To style the image counter in the Divi Gallery Lightbox, one of the easiest methods is by using the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugins. These plugins provide intuitive controls for customizing the Lightbox image counter, allowing you to adjust its colors, font, and size, all without needing to write any code. This approach makes it simple to match the counter's design to the rest of your website. For more details about these plugins, check out the links in the accompanying post. To begin customizing the Lightbox image counter, navigate to the page on your website that includes a Divi Gallery module. Open the gallery settings by clicking the gear icon on the module. Next, select the Design tab at the top of the settings window. This is where you'll find all the options for tweaking the gallery's appearance, including the Lightbox image counter. Now that you're in the Design tab, scroll down until you see the section labeled Lightbox Image Count. This is the group of settings where you can start customizing the appearance of your image counter. Simply click on this group to expand it and reveal all the available options. These settings are made possible by the Divi Gallery Booster and Divi Booster plugins, which give you easy control over the counter's design. To customize the text color of the Lightbox image counter, go to the expanded Lightbox Image Count section within the Design tab. Here, click the text color swatch to open the color picker. Select a color that fits your design and ensures the counter is clearly visible. For instance, you can choose a bright green by using the color code #00FF00 at full opacity, which will give the counter a vibrant, eye-catching look. Now, let's adjust the text size of the Lightbox image counter. In the Lightbox Image Count section, locate the text size setting. Here, you can input your preferred size. For example, setting it to 28 will ensure the counter is larger and easier to read. Choose a size that works well for your design and makes the counter clearly visible to your audience. Once you're satisfied with the changes to the Lightbox image counter, it's important to save your work. To do this, simply click the Save button located in the top bar of the Divi Builder. This step ensures that all your customizations are successfully applied to the gallery module on your page. To preview and confirm your customizations, navigate to your page on the front end. Open the Gallery Lightbox by clicking on any gallery image. Look for the image counter, which should display at the bottom of the Lightbox overlay, showing something like 1 of 2. Check that it matches the color and text size you selected, and ensure it stands out clearly against the background. If everything appears as expected, your changes are now live. With these straightforward steps, you can customize the image counter in the Divi Gallery Lightbox to perfectly match your website's design. This not only enhances the overall look, but also makes image navigation clearer and more user-friendly for your visitors.